Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Notion for documenting programming tutorials, the 2025 way. Firstly, you'll want to create a new page in Notion. Simply click on the plus new page button located on the left-hand sidebar. This is your canvas for creating a structured and interactive programming tutorial. Why is this important? Well, each new page in Notion is a fresh start, a space where you can neatly organize your tutorial content step by step. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating sections. To break your tutorial down into digestible parts, create a header for each section using the /header command. This helps us because it makes your tutorial more navigable and easier to follow for learners, especially when dealing with complex programming content. Next up, we add the actual content. This is where you explain the coding process, include code snippets, and provide explanations. Use the /text command for regular paragraphs and /code for code snippets. The reason we do this is to separate the regular text from the actual code. It helps learners differentiate between instructions and programming language, providing better clarity. Let me explain why this matters. In programming tutorials, it's essential to clearly distinguish between what is code and what is explanatory text. This way, learners won't confuse the two and can follow along more easily. Now let's add some multimedia elements. Notion allows you to embed images and videos using the /image or /video command. This is crucial because visual aids can greatly enhance comprehension, especially when explaining complex coding concepts. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you use these commands, Notion fetches your files and embeds them directly into your page, creating an interactive and engaging learning experience. Finally, you'll want to link related pages or external resources with the /link command. This helps by providing additional information or further reading for those who want to delve deeper into certain topics. And that's it. With these steps, you are now equipped to create a comprehensive programming tutorial on Notion. Remember, the key is to keep your content organized and interactive. This will make learning easier and more enjoyable for your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding!